Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome you all again in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Dear students, as you know that this is Pakistan International School, Taif, virtual class for class 10 student, subject computer science, and today is our sixth lecture. Teacher name, as you know that, Imran Ahmed. Dear students, in the previous two lecture, we were discussing the algorithm and flowchart of chapter, not exercise. Today, we will continue the same topic, but the question and answer in the exercise. Already we have done the question number 4, which was write an algorithm to calculate the area of rectangle for given breadth and length. It means that if you have breadth and length, so you can calculate the area of rectangle. On the above question algorithm, we already have drawn the flow chart, same flow chart which we were discussing in our previous lectures. Next question. Question number 5, exercise question number 5, write an algorithm that inputs length in inches and calculate and prints it in centimeters. Print it in centimeter. So 1 inch, keep in mind this thing, this formula. 1 inch is equal to how much centimeter? 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So this unit, if you know this unit, you can solve this question, this algorithm very easily. But if you don't know, then no need to solve the algorithm. But keep in mind, 1 inch is equal to how much centimeter? 2.54 centimeter. So start the algorithm planning. In the planning stage, input. Our input should be let the inch is I. I represent the inch with capital character I. In the processing, how can we calculate the centimeter? In the processing, multiply inch by 2.54. If I multiply the inches by 2.54, then obviously we can find the value of centimeters. So algorithm now start in the first step. Start, let the inch I is equal to 5. It means that I am giving the value I is equal to 5. So we have 5 inches. So we will convert this inches into centimeter. How can we convert the inch into centimeter? We will multiply step 2. Calculate the centimeter. Over here in the centimeter, C is equal to I multiply by 2.54. Why? Because one value, 1 inch is equal to how much? 2.54. So when I have it means that we are calculating 5 multiplied by 2.54. Then when it will be solved, we can easily calculate the centimeter. So our third step is output. And what is the output? Centimeter. You can write C over here or complete centimeter because we represent the centimeter with the character C. So I write C over here. And the last step or step 4 is stop. Obviously, keep in mind always In the algorithm, first and last step. First step is start and your last step should be stop. If you skip these steps, so your marks can be detected. Keep in mind, always start the algorithm with the start and stop the algorithm with stop. Okay, on this, how can we can make the flow chart? This is the question number 10. Question number 10 says, draw a flow chart on the question number 5. So I am making the flow chart on the question number 5. Start, as always, we start the flow chart with the start symbol, and this is the start symbol. What we have done in the algorithm after this, we input inches. So input I. Watch over here, we input with I. Third step was processing. Input is represented or denoted in parallelogram symbol. And the processing, watch over here, the processing is used in rectangle. So C is equal to I multiplied by 2.54. In the algorithm, we give the value I is equal to 5. So in the flowchart, no need to give the value, just use the formula only. C is equal to I multiplied by 2 points. So this is the processing portion. Next step was our output. Next step is output. So output is what? Not inches. Our output is centimeter because he is asking for calculate the centimeter. Watch over here, calculate the and print in the centimeter. So output is centimeter. Last step should be our stop. In algorithm, first step is start. In flowchart, first step is also start. In algorithm, first step is stop, and in flowchart as well, first step is stop. So keep in mind these steps. So this is related to all the previous question which we have performed. Next question. Our next question is write question number 6. Question number 6 is write an algorithm that inputs marks and print the message pass or fail. I remember yesterday, uh, yesterday we have solved the question of grades. If you have the marks, you can find the grades. But today, little bit change, rest nearly same. But this is very easy instead of that one because that algorithm was very lengthy. This is very easy one because over here we can only calculate the two parts, either fail or either pass, either pass or either fail. On the basis of which pass or fail, we have decided on the basis of which we have decided the pass or fail on the basis of marks. If you can achieve the marks above than 33, it means that you are pass. If your marks are below the 33, it means that you are fail. So this is the board criteria. Our school criteria is 40%. If you achieve the 40%, you are pass. If you are getting the below than 40%, you are fail. In the algorithm, they are giving you write an algorithm that input marks and prints the message pass or fail, while the passing criteria or passing marks are 33. It means that if you want to be passed, so you must obtain more than 33%. Okay, this was the question. Now solving this question. Input. Over here in the planning stage, we input let the marks is M. So we are denoting the marks with M, capital M. Next step is processing. Next step is processing. Check student is fail or pass. Check the student is fail or pass. Over here, in the processing symbol, we will check the student is fail or pass. Our output should be, if the marks are greater than 33, obviously he is passed or she is passed. If the marks is less than 33, so she or he will be fail. So this is the planning stage. Now we are going to start our algorithm, and our algorithm is step 1 is start. Step 1, start. Let m is equal to 66. I assign the marks value is 66. Watch over there. The passing criteria for marks is 33. So keep in mind, in the step 2, we will check these marks with the 33. So you will know the student is pass or fail. Step 2, check if marks is greater than or equal to 33, then what happened? If condition, now I apply the condition, if m is greater than or equal to 33, then what happened? Then go to step 3. It means that if marks is greater than 33, go to step 3. If marks is less than 33, then go to step 4. Else means otherwise. If this condition, keep in mind, we will do this very detailed in chapter number 3, because we will apply the if conditions, if else, nested if else in that chapter. Over here, try to understand if this condition will be true, then first step means first part before else. If this condition will be false, then after the else will be executed. Watch over here. Marks have the 66 value. 66 is greater than or equal to 33. Now tell me, condition is true or false? Obviously, condition is true, because 6 is greater than 33. Now, which step we have to follow? We will follow this step. Go to step 3. Watch here, in the step 3, what is written? In the step 3, it is written pause. So this message will be appear. This message will not be appear. Why it will be not appear? Let's execute this algorithm again. Now I am going to change this algorithm with the marks of 16. With the marks of 16. Now check this one. If marks m is greater than 33, m having the value of 16. 16 is greater than or equal to 33. Condition is true or false? It is false. When this condition becomes false, then where the control goes, control comes to after the else. Else is this one. So it is written, go to step 4. When this step will be executed, control will be transferred automatically at the step 4. In the step 4, the statement, the step is written, it is fail. So keep in mind, all the pass and fail depend upon this condition. So this is called the passing marks. If the marks is greater than 33, he will be pass. If the marks is less than 33, so he or she will be fail. Our last step will be stop. Our last step is false. So I will change it again. I will make it 66. Next question, same question, but over here we will perform the algorithm. On the basis of algorithm, we will perform what? We will perform the flow chart. This is not coming on the full screen. Let me zoom out for this one. Okay, I will make it 150%. So yes. Algorithm was we have performed. Now flowchart is input marks and prints the message pass or fail. What was the first step? In the first step, start. Then we input marks m. On the basis of marks, what we will have to watch over here. This is a new symbol for you boys. This is called the diamond symbol, and diamond symbol is used for comparison. Yesterday, I told you the diamond symbol is used for the comparison operator, means, or relational operator, means less than or equal to, Total 6 relational operator are there. If any, in the any statement, these operator will be found, you will apply this crystal or diamond symbol, this diamond symbol. So I will tell you the name of relational operator. First one, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, number 4, number 5, equal to, and number 6 is not equal to. Wherever in any statement, in any step, this kind of operator, comparison operator or relational operator will be there. So in the flow chart, you will follow this symbol, and this is called the diamond symbol. Okay, comes to the flow chart. Start, input m, we have putting the value m. Now m is greater than 33. If the condition is true, what happened? Follow this step. Follow right side. Otherwise, if the condition is false, follow the bottom side. Now, in this case, condition was true because we assigned the Mars value 66. So we will have to follow right step, right? So in the right, there was pass was written. It means that he will be pass if the student marks is greater than 33. He will be pass. So why the output symbol? I use the output symbol over here and write the pass over here. And after the passing, our last step is stop. Our last step is pass. If the student marks is 16, like I changed in the previous algorithm, giving the marks with the 16 to check the condition of false statement, then what happened? If the student marks is 16, 16 is greater than 33? No. When the condition becomes false, so this portion will not be followed. Control comes to the down portion or down area where there is written fail. Over here, watch over here, a little bit small fonts are used. Output is fail. But the even pass or fail, we will have to terminate our flow chart. Both are coming at the stop position. So this flow chart is used to find out the student is pass or fail on the basis of marks. And the criteria is if the marks is greater than 33, greater than or equal to 33, it means that he is pass. If the student marks is less than or equal to less than 33, it means that he or she will be fail. I hope you understand all this topic, algorithm and flowcharts. So practice, this needs much practice. Your homework is this, you will complete your copies, pause the screen. If you don't have the notes, you follow your book, pause your screen and make the notes for yourself in order to prepare, because every time mobile is not good for the eyes, every time screen is not good for the health. So once you have write all these question answer in your copies, then it will be very easy to you people, you boys, to revise them easily. So inshallah next week we will come again and we will do the next question. Till take care of yourself, pray for me, pray for all Muslim. Meet you inshallah on next Tuesday. Till take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.